Okay, so here's the apartment. Okay. The living room. Alyssa, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, here's my room. Little sink thing here, and there's another sink in there.
Oh my god, this pan and everything I'm making it is gonna equally fucking suck as much
Your closet.
like what the hell? Is it bacon? Bacon. Bacon makes grease and it's fucking sticky.
Hey!
Oh shit. I mean, my bad.
Alright, here's the kitchen.
Hello. Why are you turning this down?
Alright, there's 200 people in here. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Cassie. Ow! I'm making bacon. I'm Morgan.
Here's the kitchen and stuff. Little dining room place.
I'm Kim.
I don't think I heard you.
Kim.
Kim. Okay. Here's the other bathroom stuff. There's Keenan. Their room. I'm not gonna go in there, but there's a room. And here's the other room.
I don't want to do this anymore.
Hi.
Hey.
I wanna look at her shoes.
Okay. I'm coming out this way then.
Here's Kim's shoes.
A lot of shoes.
Kim, why do you have so many shoes?
I like shoes. I don't know.
Alright, here's the room. They have a pretty view of the pool, which is funny because they're lifeguards. Oh, I don't think it's going to adjust to the light here. Oh, maybe? Oh, okay. Okay, so that's my apartment. I think I got it all. Okay, bye-bye.